everybody, today I will share with you how I do my makeup and how I prepare myself for a flight. And today I just did a simple bun, I put my earrings on, and my next step will be to put my sun cream on. So sun cream is very important for you guys, especially for cabin crew. You're always exposed to the X-rays of the sun, and for your skin to stay young and beautiful, I just recommend you guys to just put underneath always sun cream protection. So I will apply it just with my hands, just smoothly on my forehead, basically all over my face, my eyelids, of course. They are the thinnest layer of skin on the face, so it's very easy to get actually cancer. So yeah, the best option is to put sun cream. Okay, so next thing I will do is I will prep my lips to be not dry. How would I say it? Basically, I will prep my lips not to be dry when I will apply my another lipstick that I usually use now on the flights, which is this one from Kiko. It's just a basically it's just like it gives you volume, and it's like a pumping lip cream. Anyways, I use it. It doesn't have any color, but underneath your mask, it's important to stay hydrated. So my lip balm, and I usually just take it with my finger and apply it with my fingers also. And this lip balm doesn't have any taste, but it's really good. It works so fast. So that's why I usually use it before I do my makeup. Next step, I will take my beauty blender and I will soak it in water. I always like to clean my hands. I just have this, like, I need to wash my hands before I apply anything. And yeah, next step. So next step, I will just take care of my foundation. So now recently, because of the mask and acne, I will not use too much foundation. I will just cover myself with some concealer. Today I have Dior concealer. I will just put it on my forehead a little, underneath my eyes, my nose. Okay. Alright, so my face is already with concealer and ready. I will not put any foundation as I already told you guys. Next step, normally I would not use it, but today, because it's a long flight, I will use a powder, setting powder. And I will put it just now because the concealer tends to crease, to make lines on underneath my eyes and forehead, so I'll just apply it. And because we always change masks, the makeup it's easily removed, and I want it to stay during my flight, so I apply the powder to help it stay and not get like cleaned by the mask, basically. Usually I only do this only on my long flights, so today will be around 7 hours, 6 hours and something, and yeah, so that's why I need a full blend. For my eyebrows, I do have a palette. This one is from H&M, but I love the colors. It's just, I can take it everywhere with me. It has a shimmer, it has dark colors for eyebrows and for under the eyebrow, which I really love it actually. So first what I will do, with my brush, I will just brush my hair, my brow hair up, and make a nice shape. Alright, and next step, I will take this side of the brush, this shade here. Alright, only here, as you can see, only here, up the eyebrow. Alright, so my next step, guys, I will just take a regular concealer and apply it up my eyebrow just to make the line more clean. I have a brush, which is I use it for concealer under my brow. I will use this brush, and I'll just put the shade very nicely. Okay, now that I applied my concealer, I'll put my eyebrows up again. So, I don't know guys if you take this much time to do your eyebrows, but I usually take it because now the eyebrows and eyes are the parts of the face that are more exposed to other people, and I like them to look nice and neat, and especially for work. So yeah, my eyebrows are ready. And the next step, finally we will get to the eyeshadow. Today I'll be using this palette. It's from Shein and it's called Artistry Palette She Glam, and it looks like this, if you like it guys. Okay, so first what I will do, I will just start with a fluffy brush, which is this one, and I will use a simple shade. Okay, so for today I will use this shade right here in the corner. It doesn't have a name, so alright, I'll use this shade and I'll start to just put it up my crease. Basically I use it in circular motions. I'll just go with it up my crease, and it will give me a little bit of smokiness, and it's just the first shade, and oh my god, it's so pigmented. I love it. Maybe it's better for me to change it like this. Okay, so you guys can see more. So next color I will take with the same brush actually. I will take the deeper red, which is on this side, and it's kind of brownish. For work I always use neutral colors, but this red I will blend it with the brown and it will look very nice. Basically it will look not red, it will look brownish. And I'm putting it on the outer corner of my eye. See? Okay, so next step, I will take this dark brown color here in the inner corner. With the same brush, guys, everything with the same brush, because the colors from the lighter to the deeper I will go, so that's, you can use the same brush. And I'll go also here underneath this